In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your My Tasks view in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sharing your task view can enhance collaboration and keep your team on the same page. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your My Tasks section. This is an essential starting point, so look for it at the top of your Asana dashboard. When you're logged into Asana, the My Tasks option should be front and center for you. Go ahead and click on it to reveal all your tasks organized in one place. This section will show you everything you have on your plate, making it easy to review and manage your workload. Once you're in the My Tasks section, the next step is to locate the Share button. You'll find this button in the top right corner of the page. It may be labeled as simply Share or could feature an icon, but it'll be unmistakable. This is the gateway for allowing others to access your tasks. So go ahead and click on that button. After you click Share, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. Now this is where the fun begins. In this dialog box, you'll have the opportunity to add team members with whom you want to share your task view. Start typing the names or email addresses of your colleagues one by one. Asana should automatically suggest contacts from your organization, making it easier for you to find the right people. Ensure you select the correct individuals so they can see your tasks without any confusion. Once you've entered the names of everyone you'd like to invite, it's time to send the invitation. Just look for the Invite button in the dialog box and give it a click. This action grants them access to view your My Tasks, opening up the lines for better communication and collaboration. Remember, once you hit that Invite button, the people you've invited will be able to see your task organization. But before you wrap things up, here's an important tip. It's always a good idea to provide context when sharing your tasks. Consider giving your colleagues a heads up about why you're sharing this view. You could send a quick message or an email letting them know what specific projects you're currently working on or any important deadlines they should be aware of. Clear communication can go a long way in ensuring everyone is on the same page and that there's no confusion down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to successfully share your My Tasks view in Asana. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your team's productivity and keep everyone informed about your current projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.